Ma'am, you were charged with theft. You are facing up to 6 months in jail.
Right here, the judge wastes zero time before laying down the stakes, jail time, fines, and a full probabilicas review. Anytime a hearing starts this direct, it usually means the evidence is solid and the judge wants the defendant to understand the seriousness fast. Quick question for you. Do you think the $91 in kids' clothes was worth this level of trouble? Let me know.
And or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause.
Motivos fundados, saber los motivos por qué te arrestaron.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Asignar uno de oficio.
Yes, sir. On April 2nd,
El 2 de
2025,
abril de 2025,
officers were dispatched to the
oficiales
service.
fueron a una llamada de un hurto.
Officers spoke with a loss prevention officer.
Hablaron con el oficial que estaba trabajando aquí.
The complainant stated that
Y
they
el
observed
quejante dijo que te observaron
on the defendants
a
on
ti
video
en video
placing children's clothing
poniendo ropa de niños
and accessories
y otros accesorios
into her backpack
en tu maletín
and purse.
o mochila y en tu cartera.
The complainant stated the defendant paid for her groceries.
Ahí dijiste que habías pagado para toda la comida,
But passed all points of sale
pero pasaste todos los puntos de venta
without paying for the clothing
sin
merchandise.
pagar para la ropa.
These items that were taken
Y estos artículos que se llevaron,
were $91 in children's clothing,
$91 en ropa de niños,
$9.98 in underwear,
no, $9.98 en calzoncillos
$39.92
y
in clothing.
$39.92
En clothing?
Men's.
en ropa de hombre
And $25.96
y $25.96 de ropa de
as
mujeres.
well as baby accessories
Otros accesorios para los niños,
totaling
total
$67.85
$65.85
for a combined value
para una combinación valorada de $235.
From
This was from a Walmart.
Esto era en un Walmart, dice.
Your Honor.
Ms. Vasquez, I'm going to find if there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case.
So, hay bastantes motivos para ir adelante con tu caso.
Check it out, Your Honor. Pretty sure Walmart.
I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to go to any Walmart for any reason.
Para ninguna
If I
razón.
find that you do, or if I find that you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond.
This is one of the judge's toughest warnings yet, and he means every word. Immigration detainers aren't just threats. Once they hit, everything freezes. No bond, no movement, nothing. This is the part where the courtroom's tension spikes because everyone realizes the consequences are now bigger than just a shoplifting case. Ever seen a judge deliver a warning this brutally clear?
And I will put you in jail. I don't know what your immigration status
No
is,
sé cuál es tu estatus
but if you're not in this country with permission and you go to jail,
y vas a la cárcel.
immigration finds you because they sweep it on a daily basis. They will put an immigration detainer on you, and you will be stuck like Chuck in custody
A quedar
until this
presa.
case is over, and then you get shipped off to immigration. This is the only warning that you will get.
Única advertencia que vas a
Do not pick up any new cases.
no coges ningún caso
Don't be a
nuevo.
danger to my city.
No seas peligro a esta ciudad. ¿Entiendes?
Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance.
Un abogado no vas a tener que aparecer. Tu
He
próxima
will
vez.
tell you if and when you
Él
have
te
to
va
come
a
back.
decir cuando tengas que venir a corte de vuelta. ¿Ok?
He tells me he cannot get a hold of you.
Si él me dice que no se puede comunicar contigo o no
Likewise, I
estás
will assure-
recibiendo llamadas, te voy a quitar la urgencia.
We'll have you sign a reset now.
Firmaron
We'll have you take a seat in the jury box while we get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it,
la
and
condición.
then after that, you'll be free to go. All right, good luck, man. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Hernandez, you stand charged with the offense of failure to stop and give information. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 6-month, they're offering you a 6-month deferred
una
type of probation. You need to understand that this is a great probation that if you complete it successfully, you do not end up with a conviction on your record. But you need to understand that you give up nearly every right known to man by entering into this agreement. And if you fail to live up to your side of the bargain, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. We will have a hearing. You will be facing 180 days in jail.
80 días de cárcel.
Do you understand?
Yes.
It is a 6-month
Yes.
deferred. The only condition is that you pay $2,000 in restitution to the complaining witness. Does he have his Texas driver license?
No.
Does he have the ability to get a license?
No.
You have a lot riding on this, Mr. Hernandez. If you go to jail and you're not in this country with permission and immigration finds you, it's probably not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Sí,
Is
Yes.
this what you want to do?
¿Lo que usted desea hacer?
sí,
Yes.
How do you plead to the
¿Cómo te
offense?
declaras
Guilty or
en la
not
finca?
guilty?
¿Culpable o no culpable?
culpable.
Guilty.
I'm not going to find you guilty. I will withhold that for 6 months. I'm going to hold you to this probation until restitution is made whole. I've literally held people for 3 years to get them to pay restitution. It's only fair. Now, you are not allowed to drive. If I find that you're driving while you're on this probation, it's really not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
¿Usted lo entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
So let's set up a payment. Well, yeah, no driving affidavit, but let's set up a payment plan. I'm not going to hope and wish and dream that just, so we're going to set up a payment plan for you.
Plan de pago.
Do
You
you,
said $400 a month is what you
Dice
could pay.
$400 mensuales lo que puede de pagar.
so
400 times 5 is 2,000.
This moment is huge. The defendant is basically negotiating the timeline for paying off. $2,000 in restitution. And the judge, he's making it crystal clear. No games, no delays. What's wild is how flexible yet firm the court is being here. It's a reminder that probation isn't just freedom, it's pressure with a deadline. Would you be able to keep up with a $400 month court-ordered payment?
is this something that you can make? Can you do the $400 a month?
$400 mensual? Yes.
Okay, then that's the deal that we will make.
Es lo que vamos a hacer.
If you,
Hacer los pagos como el día primero.
I need to make the payments on the first.
that's okay.
Está muy
I will-
bien.
Whatever you want to,
Voy a hacer lo que usted desea.
if you need more time,
¿Necesitas más
we
tiempo?
can give you more time.
Podríamos dar más tiempo.
No,
No.
lo que quiero es, si puedo hacerlo más rápido, más
If I could
rápido.
do it, the quicker I can do it.
Pay it off
Si lo paga antemano,
in half the time.
en menos de
I'll take you off early.
le voy a quitar
Okay.
de
Then if you pay off the entire balance,
a balance. I'm so sorry. Can I take this call? It's the hospital. Oh, shoot, they hung up. That's okay. I'm sorry. It's my husband
I
had
know
surgery.
it's,
Oh, gosh.
so, well, let's get this done. All right.
Okay, these,
Any issues you have, talk to Shatoria. We can work it out. Don't just take off. Don't pick up a new case because I will issue a warrant.
pero si
Do
no,
you understand?
¿está bien?
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Thank
Oh,
you.
shoot. Hello? Hello?
And concern is restitution to the plain witness. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It's going to be there for the rest of your life. If you ever get pulled over, first thing an officer does, they look at your record. If they see that you have a prior DWI and they roll up to your window and they smell alcohol or they smell dope or anything funky, it's probably not going to go well for you. And what we're doing today,
Estamos haciendo.
after today, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. If you're not in this country with permission and you do that kind of time, you can all but, do you understand what I'm saying? If I were you, even if you've had a sip of alcohol, I wouldn't get into a car. Not only that, it is a $6,000 surcharge. You pick up another DWI. Do you understand? You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no changing. You understand?
¿Lo entiende?
So no
Yes.
PCI, just wants to get, all right. How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty, sir?
Mhm.
I'm going to find you guilty.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm going to sentence you to 3 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 1 day that you've done.
Ya que ya se
I'm now going to suspend your license for 90 days or your ability to get a license.
No, no.
Don't drive.
No maneje.
If you get into a car and you get pulled over, they're going to see this. It's not going to go well.
No le va a ir muy bien.
Man,
¿O lo entiende?
good luck,
Yes.
sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Judge, on the surcharge, you asked you to waive that. The DPS,
Your lawyer is asking for me to waive a $3,000 surcharge. We all make mistakes. But when you continue to make mistakes, whether you endanger other people's lives, it's unacceptable and you will pay for it if it happens again dearly. You understand?
Claro que sí, ocurre de vuelta. ¿Lo entiendes?
Okay, I'll waive it for you.
No le va a cobrar los tres.
I've tried to get in contact with the officer. For the deputy, if I'm able to get him to try to give me the serial number off the gun to match the serial number to what we have. So I was just still not able to get in contact with him.
When did you reach out to them?
I believe it was Friday.
So on the newer one. The older one, Judge, what I can say is, and I'm pulling it up now, I can see the agreement here. Without saying any possible future weapon, I mean, our position is this is an agreement.
Yeah, I mean, if it's part of the agreement that
Yeah,
that he's supposed to forfeit the weapon, that's
that
part
was
of the
only,
agreement.
I can't say the same thing.
Okay?
The newer one was.
But can you verify that the serial number is the same on the gun on
That's
the
what we're trying to do.
paperwork?
We're trying to do it, we just don't, we don't have, I don't have the serial number and I don't have a way to get the serial number without the deputy. Unless,
Do we want to say if we can't confront with them and we just, you know,
No, subpoena him now.
okay, that's fine. Or he tells us.
Right, right. Issue the subpoena now. So, come here. Come on up.
So you keep hands out.
So
Cigar.
they have been, the idea is that I want to make sure that the gun that you're saying is yours matches the gun that's there. So we're trying to match the serial numbers. They have not been able to do it. They've reached out to the officer. He's not responding. So we're going to subpoena the officer to come to court to try to verify everything. The,
First one.
I mean, I got to imagine that when they take custody of the gun, they put the serial number in the offense report.
Yeah, they do.
Didn't on this one, Your Honor. Let's, and what else I can do is I can try to check RMS to see if there's an updated offense report. That's the only thing I can do.
Can I say something? It's on Lockwood, the place where they keep the guns at. You can call up there and verify if it's there like that. You could do it like that too. Cause I already called up there and before, cause I thought I could go straight up there and get it, and I gave them the serial number to the weapon and the case number, and they told me it was there.
Did I do that too?
And they
Hear
close.
that?
They close at 4 o'clock.
All right, we can try to follow. Certain you, it's not without annex, like, can you give us, what was the address you said, sir?
It's on, Lockwood Road. Can I look it up?
Is it HPD property room?
Yeah, the HPD property.
HPD.
Never mind,
Yeah.
I can find it.
Lockwood, you know? Okay. You wanna do it tomorrow? Is it too early?
I can. We do Tuesday just to get John one more time, or we did tomorrow, is that okay with Judge?
You okay with Tuesday?
Like next Tuesday.
Mhm.
I go out of town this weekend, so it'd probably be farther than included. Like, well, today's Thursday, huh? So we won't be able to.
You tell me what day next week.
We could try like Monday, probably.
Are you okay with Monday?
Monday's work time.
Okay.
And y'all want me to come in the morning instead of
Like 11.
11? Okay.
Now, Judge, one thing I will ask, is the court willing to make a ruling on that older one, the earlier, they're not going to call it longer?
The first one when you got the dismissal on the first one, part of the agreement was that you would forfeit the weapon in
Yeah.
exchange for the dismissal. So I'm not going to give that
Yeah,
one
you
back.
told me that last
Right.
time, yeah.
I've already said it. So, but the second one, the newer one is what we're talking about.
Yes.
And as long as we match the serial numbers, I'm going to give it back to you. Okay?
And I have to come up here, for all that to happen.
No.
Okay.
Can we put it on the docket so we make sure that it happens?
Because it's disposed of, no, it'll be like an error everywhere. They won't even be able to enter it.
I can't put it on the docket so that we'll actually, so come back, whatever day you want, we'll get it done. You just let me know if you want to come back Monday or Tuesday, whatever you want. If you don't have it done, I'm not going to force him to come back again.
I get it.
So we're not going to do this again after the next time. I'm going to put it on them. So it's got to get done by the next time.
Okay.
I'm not resetting this again.
And it's 11 o'clock on Monday. Okay, I got you. Thank y'all.
Thank you, Mr. Hughes.
Thank you.
This is Mr. Campbell? Okay. Good morning, Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell, you're charged with assault causing bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 120 days in jail with credit for the 19 days that you've done. I see that it's 2 counts of assault, right?
Correct.
Gonna be
One is
dismissed.
going to get dismissed.
Okay, so that's the agreement. As you see, 2 counts of assault, 1 will be dismissed. Is this how you understand it?
Yes, sir.
You need to understand that you're giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement today. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this for the rest of your life. You need to understand that from now on, you are facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up.
Sure.
Is this what you want to do?
Sure.
How do you plead to the offense of assault?
Good.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'll follow the agreement. I'll send you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Krasinski. Krasinski. You were charged with forgery of a financial instrument. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. You need to understand that this charge will go on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. Is this what you want to do? From now on, you are facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, you can never change this. Undo this, do something else. Is this what you want to do?
Sure.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? We'll find you guilty, send you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Does this take care of upstairs as well or no? No? All right. Got it. Good luck.